Growing and caring for citrus trees in Arizona. One of the best things about living in Arizona is that the combination of warm sunshine and well-drained soil makes it possible to grow citrus trees in our area. As a homeowner, you may love the idea of picking a fresh orange off a tree in your backyard. However, you do need to know that citrus trees require special care to help them thrive. That warm sun can sometimes get too hot. There are also common soil conditions that can cause citrus trees to fail to bear usable fruit. Learning more about citrus tree care in our area will help you grow gorgeous trees and sweet fruit. Know when to plant your tree. Planting them in the early spring or fall gives them a chance to put down roots before harsher weather comes along. Ideally, you should plant the trees in March or April, or you can wait until September and October. Focus on the watering schedule. Many problems that occur with citrus trees are caused by improper watering. Since the majority of the rainfall here occurs in the later part of the summer, supplement during dry times. New trees should be watered frequently, about every 3 days during the hottest part of the summer. Then, you can scale back to around once a week once the weather is cooler. Established trees should be watered every 1 to 2 weeks in the summer, and every 3 to 4 weeks in the winter. Water the trees enough to fully soak into the ground, but have time to dry out before you water again. Go for a slow soak. To make that juicy fruit, citrus trees need to be watered long enough to reach the roots. Use a soaker hose or irrigation system to slowly water the trees to a depth of approximately 2 feet. Newer trees may need to be watered as deep as 3 or 4 feet. The root systems are wide, so extend the watering out to about a foot past where the canopy of the tree rests. Fertilize appropriately. New trees do not need to be fertilized if your property's soil is already in good health. Once a tree reaches 2 to 3 years old, it should be fertilized about 3 times a year. The months of February, May and August are good times for this. Watch for common problems. People often worry about their citrus trees not bearing fruit. This is normal for new trees. After 2 to 3 years of growth, lack of fruit could indicate a problem with the fertilization or watering schedule. Watch for yellow leaves. Yellow at the tips could mean that the soil has a high salt content, and watering more often helps flush it out. Soil treatments may also be necessary to restore leaf growth on trees that lack proper amounts of nitrogen and other important nutrients. Citrus trees can live for 20 years or more, and proper care helps them to bear delicious fruit. For more than 25 years, custom weed and pest control helped residential and commercial properties stay weed and pest free. Don't fight the good fight alone, call Custom Weed and Pest Control.